everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce. This is Rohit and today I'm going to discuss about Spring'24 new feature for admin that is called dashboard new features. And if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe the channel and please turn on the bell icon for more updates so you never will miss any kind of update from my side. So if you want to learn new features, and so please watch this video until end and don't miss any point from this video. So let's get started without any further delay. So first of all, you have to log in into your Spring'24 pre-release org. So if you don't know about how to create the pre-release org, I will share the link in description of this video. So you can reach out to me if you have any problem regarding this Spring'24 pre-release org. Okay. So first of all, this is the prerequisite. You have to create your account, free developer account, the Salesforce account, and just log in, and under app launcher you can search like dashboard. App launcher, just you have to search dashboard. Once you search dashboard, just click on this dashboard. So now you can see dashboard is open here, and I have created one demo dashboard, but let me create new dashboard, and based on this new dashboard you will be see lots of new feature regarding this Spring'24. Okay, so let me create a new dashboard for this one. So here let me create, let's say, Spring'24 demo, something like that. Okay, let me save this default folder. You can select your folder if you have. Just click on this create button. Once you clicked on this create button, immediately you can see this canvas regarding this dashboard Spring'24. You can rename it using this pencil icon and Spring'24, and this is the wedges here. So please focus on this one. This is the new feature regarding this Spring'24, that is here you can select chart, table, text and image, right? So these all new feature regarding this release, and based on this new feature you can learn or you can implement this new feature in your org. Okay, so let me show you one by one new feature regarding these wedges. And here first of all, let me open this chart or dashboard. You can create your chart and dashboard if you have, let's say, old report, or let me create new report, and based on this report we will see in the action. So let me create a new report, and this report is a simple report. Just let me add this report on account object. So report type, you can select here report type, name this one start report, and here you can see lots of things. Just leave it as it is. Okay, let me click on the run. So now you can see immediately this one, and add it. Let me click on the save and new account record. By default I want to select this one. You can rename it based on your requirement, you can choose it. Just click on the save, and now immediately we you can see it's created a new report, and it's a new report here. Click on this dashboard again, and under the dashboard we have created this one. So let me click on this Spring'24 demo, and here just click on this edit and click on this wedge, and here in the chart we have like new one. Click on this selected, and I want to select this one, normal report or something like that, right? Or you can group it based on your account ID or name, let's say site. Okay, so let leave it as it is by default. Let me click on this add here. Immediately you can see my report here, right? This is the new report. Okay, you can create any report as you want. So let me click on this report again, and let me add some chart based on the report. So let me open this report again, and under this report you have to add like grouping. So let me click on this edit, and here just in the group let me add like a rating. So I want to make it like grouping rating, and always make it like update preview automatically. So now you can see this one. Let me save this, and once you save it, just click on this dashboard again, and once you group it, this report, just open this dashboard, and you can add your report here. So just open it, click on this edit, add the new items, let's say chart or table. So I have this, this report. So let me select it. Here you can add the chart like this, this one. Based on your requirement you can use it, or let's say this one, or standard, dynamic. Based on your requirement you can choose it, right? So let me add this one, and based on this one, once you click on this add button, immediately you will be see your report here. Yeah, dashboard is saved now. Let me refresh this page, and you will be see this output here. So this is the first feature regarding this dashboard, and we will see the rest of the feature here. So now you can see, yes, so now you can see immediately reports, and based on the rating, you can see like hot 2, warm 3, cold 2, something like that. Okay, so this is the first feature. You can drag and drop anywhere as you want. Here, let's say this one, you can download it, you can close it. So let me edit this dashboard, and let me add more feature regarding this new one. So under here, just here you have to do one thing. If you have like lots of text, you can add the text inside this dashboard. So it's a very easy and handle it. Okay, so let me do that one thing. I have some text, so I have this text. Based on this text, you can add it, or you can make it like any things as you want here, like any link or something like that. So let me add, let's say this highlighted, and make it this color as a red or something like that. So click on this choose. So now you can see immediately this red color, and if you make it, let's say bold color, you can make it like bold color. So you just click it bold like this. You can make it like margin padding, something like left, right and middle, and you can increase the text size as well. Let's say I want to make it this like a 25. Okay, so just let me select it first of all, and let me change this size here, let's say 32. So immediately you can see this one. Let me add it, or you can just drag and drop anywhere as you want. Here you can see. Okay, so this is the simple text. You can add it for more readability, or based on your requirement you can use it. This is another feature regarding this dashboard. So third one is the images. You can add the images, or you can browse it in my computer or something like that. So here, this is the image here. I just upload it, and based on this image, we will see this image inside. Here you can make it like a large, medium, something like that. Okay, so here let's see, you can make it vertical, something like that, original, like tiles. Based on your requirement you can use it, like say tile, fit width, something like that. Let's say fit height, and let me add this one. So once you add it, you can use it anywhere as you want, right? Or you can make it like this here. That is another feature is available in this dashboard. And okay, so just let me do one thing here, or you can add it. Okay, so let me do that here, and the edit button. Okay, or you can make it like sketch. Click on this update, you can see immediately, right? So you can make it like this, or this one, or this one, something like that. Okay, so these all new feature regarding this is this release, and you can use it anywhere as you want. This one very easy and very handy features, so you can use it anywhere as you want. So let me save this. Okay, once you save it, let me click on this done, and finally you can see the final output here, right? So very easy and very handy feature. You can use it for images, table, chart, and the simple text. So here you can see the simple text, right? You can make it any link regarding this text. Okay, so very simple, just you have to edit this one and make it the link, because it's a rich text area. So based on this rich text functionality, you can use it anywhere as you want. This is regarding the admin new feature in Spring 24. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you feel like this is a very more informative, or like this is a new for us, so please like, share, comments, and please subscribe the channel for more updates, so you never will miss any kind of update from my side. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya, thank you for watching guys.